Trade and today's price section. So here, as you can see, today I did not recorded me taking the trade because I was already late. I came home late and I need to just prepare things to take a trade, so I did not record it. So now I'll do my trading recap. So let's talk about that. So when we opened, I was very bearish for the day. We had a sweep here inside of this fair value gap. We had this sweep here at the London session. We swept the Asian high, and when I have that manipulation, I am bearish. When we sweep the Asian high, I'm bearish. So here I was just trying to find shorts, but at the same time I was trying also to take longs because here the market open and I just waited to see if we would sweep these lows. We just swept this London low. We did not swept the Asian low, but here it was enough in my opinion. We had this sweep, we grabbed a lot of liquidity. So here I was just trying to find longs. As you can see here, we started going higher, but we had this 5-minute fair value gap. We got to the fair value gap and here we were already very bullish, and I waited here I did not execute it. Here I waited because we're already very bullish, so I was trying to find longs. We already inversed this gap, we gone higher, we broke structure, we were already bullish on the 5 minutes, we're also bullish. So I just tried to find longs because we had this sweep and because the structure was already bullish. So I tried to find longs. So here we had this move down. Here I said that if we held this level, I would try to find longs in the move up. Here I also marked the 0.5 equilibrium level. As you can see here, we just closed above, so for me it was not a retracement, for me it was a continuation higher. So when we had this move up, I just marked this bullish fair value gap and put my entry in the middle of the fair value gap, and I had my entry here. But then I just looked at the 15 minutes after my entry. We had this big wick reacting from the 15 minutes bearish fair value gap. We also had this bearish fair value gap, and here I said that if we have a candle close below this inverse fair value gap, I would just move my stop loss to here, and yeah, I just closed my position here in a loss because for me the plan here was invalidated. We were bearish. I really thought that we could reverse from here after this sweep, but after looking at the 15-minute fair value gap and how the candle reacted from the fair value gap, I was looking at that, I was bearish. I lost my confidence on taking longs. So when I had this candle close below, I just waited for the candle to retest this level and I just closed my position here. Today I entered with 0.5 risk, but here I just closed in a 0.1% loss. So for me it was the best to do here. When I took the trade, I said to myself that if we just had a candle closure below this level, I would just invalidate my plan and would just basically get out of the trade, and that's what I did. I'm not regretted. Here we had this move up, but my TP1 is here, so no profits even if we held it, the trade. So it is what it is. Today I end up with a loss. Here you can see was a very small loss, $6. So I also did not risk a lot today. I was bullish here, but then I just lost my confidence, so I did what was the best for me in that situation. So basically this is that. Wish you liked the video. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.